me predicted 3-1 score line, but on the day, Kumasi Asante-Kotoko as a club playing body no, Eugene, CAF Confederations Cup no boy no, especially against WAC, they didn't learn anything out of that game.
They didn't learn anything
from the WAC side. Yes, Eugene. Oman share from the WAC game, and Yayane say has score your Godi 6-1, Kotoko score your Godi 5-1, but there were some elemental. Say Asante-Kotoko it me PK from Waka can me score line no it me a reality. Me any can encore the game involving Wak and Asante-Kotoko Mohammed the Fee Sports Stadium. Time Kotoko is say go na Kotoko into the game no. Consider the incidents are a lead you to Wak second goal man game you to 1. Aziz Haruna Dari. And no person or pass the ball at the man, I think Lord Amwa or Henry Ansu. Henry Ansu, because of Senna on your aware, no attentive into went to me and Nabono. Work and Saka Bono. From that point, and I work in the second goal. And Kotoko Ama game Nimbi. But Eugene, and Kotoko had similar instances. Met me, I say, work for the and the crowd move was saying, baby, and Kotoko one. In the first half, goalkeeper Frederick Asare. Or pass a ball at the Morifin Donzu. Benjamin Asare. And baby and Morifin Donzu ejinano. So we are striker, we are potent. We are striker, we are up there striker. We are striker with standard. And yeah, up to the international level. I think Nanka was say Morifin Donzu. It me record a hat-trick in yesterday's game. In the second half also, I think Sir Kelvin or say SCB, at least ye nimse or ye error prone. And Tinano Saturday, Wabrana Bismarck, etene etedrum. Me can say one thing me bomb pie say this game ye be ye free a margin for error. But or SCB did what at least no ma bebre a predict efan say. Whilst the game is in that heat, he is not able to keep his composure. He will let you off the ball. And indeed, at a point in time, or J ball, or down in Hobakum, and on my back pass. Unaware, the back pass was to Morifin Donzu. And it seems, as a net chance, as a nyahwe. Meanwhile, Monewake Bono. These petty mistakes are Kotoko ye. And now work a punish Kotoko. And ma this humiliation a buy. Enti media me say Kotoko. Competition on coin, they didn't learn anything. So Komusia Bibia.
Na game I was like Donzo. Me na enrano. Na mo feeling this Donzo be say go. But o man ho kwan a ko betimi ase be 3 goals. Because her pass na o say sibe e command no.
I think the decision making ain't the best. And on my pass here I say there was nothing good, there was nothing dangerous out of that pass. Meanwhile, Nakaya Albert Amoa, Nakahas ni bia hum realize hum say or says he be ama a wrong pass no. Nakahas ni bia at least ni sunu be good them for that period. But Kotoko and Morifin Donzu, they didn't learn anything when playing against WAC of Morocco. Eugene, one incident a bad game provided controversies. And Aziz Haruna Futa, former supporters leader, Wakasa with Sporty TV, and I dove my heart out for that man. Semi Kutuna will say, at the stadium, I didn't see it as offside. It looked like a beautiful goal. But after watching the replay, he was clearly coming from an offside position. And this is a House of Folk staunch supporter. Awabeya Jumaneda. Inti say has for the BB
me enra stadium mo before say bono obe bono me te say referee na ba ben
That was
I
what
heard
so
it.
many people are saying.
Yes, I heard it. Nti me na me kɔhwɛ line 2 na no gina
And
no.
the flag was
It was up. And then I was wondering why na ebi mo yɛ and okay say was football na another incident bi see after game no. Say na police for ne nurse was stadium after the game wa. Ka sem bitimi asi.
And it all boiled down to conduct.
So say na nipa police for no na area no anopa no me drew stadium na police care ba na me ne obia na ejina ho. And I was like, hey, I gave me as a police for the doors. And we game no. I was at Accra Sports Stadium, the old mo baby, press conference, and the down see no. Bismarck be show video na me. I said, supporters no, omu na bu afu person omu call car park ho.
One say I honor a mid zone for supporters. One says your pon boy, that's where they think they will meet the media and they will express their grievances.
This is the video.
Yeah.
On police phone. It don't say police phone. Join live on Facebook. See na they can also follow. Now say police phone. And so ebe jina honum fast. And me name the reason why a police phone. Me name intelligence or more picky NTR they came there fast because on. It at a point na ko drivers ni me enukra no. Omo ntimi nya kwan dey enko. Go police phone aba be je ban ho like ye mo bi anko ba bia timbas no. Because at a point supporters has to full supporters no my pile fu kasa so what I say and a police for no and so be gina wa and no there police for no buy no me bomb my so
maminka we say on say before the start of the game no na referee issue
yes who's that and no me kwara me kasa both has ni Kotoko nyina ma pressure ko referee
nti ye wie game no and the incident ni see into na we say supporters no call because obviously when a referee be fa ba
and urim say game no ye ball game wie na police for ne omo de 5 minutes ni be chair na and I want say police for that be gina touchline into a ball whistle na say Bismarck be my za Hussein video na a ball whistle na
let's rush into the field.
Oh yes omo call eko guide into a ball whistle na ana omo eko park ni so a omo eko cover referee no ne na assistant no so until I don't know but
and then the man supporters ni kugu because obviously when a referee no be fa
before the game release I free and then someone supporters ni me ni ekikan and penny for ekikan no and I think
especially has paying for because ade bia Kotoko eno ani Kotoko iba say referee free Kumasi
and then I don't know why we then go to the extent of punching the line 1 assistant referee
so you didn't think Attakora nanka ade a Hussein aye no
we are why football am we are so Attakora nti na sima me
so Eugene I think say Aziz Haruna Futa he has been very explicit because anyway you know one way here with the emotions come you not get the best judgment as on my mind you as NBC or other football association omo football fraternity no omo de a lesson to subsequent seasons but ye see I think say na aye entokwa now say has for now almost say referee no ye mono asenua no what will happen to Gabriel Opokuan Eugene Gabriel Opokuan on officiating has to folk any 11 wonders Techiman 11 wonders that genuine penalty na 11 wonders inyae at the blind side of the referee say yes must say young calling for the head of Reginald Collins Amoa. What should then happen to Gabriel Opokuan?
I don't want us to justify BB, but I see, and maybe who say pressure now started from Tuesday, Wednesday, banner, and one is generating into what happened yesterday or stadium or you know. Let's condemn the acts, especially that of the player. Now this player committee, and so I release. Yes, I charge a player no. Hussein, and they have to folk. You know, they have until Tuesday. Now we are there. We are charging. They say
with 3 articles. mienu free GFA disciplinary code and about free GFA Premier League regulations.
Sure, and that's on. And
Yes.
Hussein, a fine,
Talented.
or fine, suspension. Any idea player no?
With the Article 16(2)(b, no, and here or you're tantamount to 5 matches ban.
5 matches.
Yes.
Okay.
15 matches.
15.
Yes.
Minimum and maximum.
Yeah, 15.
Okay.
That's what is stated in the GFA disciplinary code.
Good. Okay. Tino Hussein, on yes, there. When I read a game, say has game no kopake, a bass no kopake or Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports, and Nimu Honoma, I won't say on Amha or the phone to so. Now or your corner. What I heard was, Minim the bar me so crowd, see a honor. That's when you know. But means me say, as my say, can I say, at that moment, who could tattoo and carry Bobby Kuna? Thank God, couldn't panel you.
The crime there not make can baby say and your police anything intervene here a control crowd or no and like your witness say
Me
knife Nibia.
Oh, because also one in the Debbie Amakase, Ubufua and take a decision. So Ubufua, don't take any decision. Me philosophy am the nam. Me no ya then answer me Bufua. Either I'll just keep quiet and go my way. And I said me comment it. Because se me bufu sisi ana me ka asem bia e bia me abufu ne kowia e be bas manu me ho at that moment ne sen kam ye bibia izi am ne koya de na mbuafu na ma twitu a pay makuniko wie no abufu ne ko ah
What's why there?
en komo ne yedi
There be nkomo de fa kozuba.
na ma ye bibia me wie no abufu ne ko makunipa ne so ayede awie enti no me da bia me catch those around me ubufu a don't take decision go on where decision aba ko take no e china bi no na e ko affect wo baby ti ye na wie mam na
Now to the game itself. I think Masawu Didi Dramani o share the games are no boba. He had the starting lineup wrong.
sa
Yes.
reason is saying why na no say obo awa mebo
Mauli Wayo should have started.
to you
Because against BBN Good Stars, Mauli Wayo started. And you who the Mauli Wayo at the year Vincent Atinga.
the coaches never catch us say game bia na game plan e
Admitted. But at least a player or your red hot or form. At least woman 45 cry. So that who the bet on settle opponent. Ransford Mensah Eugene over here prior to this game player back one na me boni di bona basopa and run when see me and live up to expectation.
Kotoko ne has asem ne kan yo
I think and also credit no Kwama Saka Dauda and Peter Midu.
at the point na coach ni switch o mo
Just say oh mama
I can't easy to carry bi okay
people are blaming Amankwa Befi but I think baby a Peter Kofa born free here. What's in the bank corner like
Bismarck video okay so
team on.
Anyway on I think Bismarck okay you see a choir of us so a dinner Bismarck any video na mepe Peter he so a chira ha no obetumi akana
Minim yenti awa what's the energy now they start say the attacking and yes energy now ora 18 years to know. So I think some of the players and Adamu did very well. The former golden kick player.
Enra ai bobo Amankwa be fi bobo.
On say
That mistake nin kwa
and that mistake let the team down.
Okay.
So I think and on the part of Kotoko Mamemo players be about Henry Kwamius.
why
Henry Kwamius. I don't know at the point in time about screens does no was saying. Now I'm saying, oh,
and I boom boom ne doso.
Eugene, man, say Eugene.
And I boom boom ne
Na
doso too much.
I think
Henry Subo no about boom boom ne doso too at the point. No say coach ne friend no na kasa say nya botre. Ko boom boom ne doso.
And Kotoko the Obekaya midfield no now no any club Edin Komo Kasai. the midfield was very, very unique, especially when they were defending. Utimu say some years ago, you should say has a that any when playing against Kotoko. But I know midfielders no mumpu any day impo saying has midfielders Then credit should go to Lord Hilary Adabo. I think he tackled very well. And on the can say Eugene, after he has won the ball, or we need bone Eugene, the can say ubetimi ama incisive passes. Richmond lam temu di eni bi. But on the we na set mum na
na ya asem
na ya asem.
Mate me da ase. Doctor Nana Kwame Edu na aso na